grossed $200,000 with about a total of $55,000 in expenses, parts. My name is Doug Bowman from Grandpa Doug's Mobile RV Repair in Omaha, Nebraska. I started the business around April 15th, and by Thanksgiving of this year, I grossed $200,000 with about a total of $55,000 in expenses, parts. Got most of my business from the dealers. I went and introduced myself to them. Before I started the business, after I finished school, I went in and talked to them, and they were, okay, yeah, you're a new guy in town. So then I turned around and I asked them, do you have anybody that works on generators in your shop? They got their attention real quick. Then I told them I was licensed, insured, and certified. So then they go, okay, come back and talk to me now. So I sat down and talked with them and built a good relationship with them. Then I went to all the parts managers, sat down and talked with them. Set up some accounts with them, and they refer me, the dealers refer me. They give me referrals for extended warranty and manufacturer warranty. As far as the NRVTA, I got all the basics I needed. The instructors were very helpful, answered all the questions I needed. And then I learned in the real world, there was a lot that you have to learn. Well, I changed my career and I was 69 years old. I was retired. There's more work out there than I can even begin to do. You don't have to, if you're ambitious, you're not going to have any problems.